did something called a teasing technique, and I'm going to show you guys on how to achieve this exact look, like this exact look. To my channel, I am Jacque Monae, wig maker, master cosmetologist, beauty strategist, and coach. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to achieve natural balayage and highlights. So again, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this exact look. I'm rocking 2 sets of my 18 and 20-inch clip-ins, and I literally just did 2 techniques. I did a highlighting technique, and I did something called a teasing technique, and I'm going to show you guys on how to achieve this exact look, like this exact look. I'm rocking 2 sets of my Raw Indian Clippins. More importantly, I wanted to show you guys techniques when you're doing hair color, because I know sometimes you guys want to switch it up with your wigs and stuff. You guys try to color your wigs at home, or even if you're in the salon and wanted to do something for a customer, because highlights can take a long time too. So I just wanted to show you guys 2 color hacks that you guys can use. Well, 2 of my products, my lace base highlighting comb and my teasing comb. I use the highlighting technique and I use the teasing technique, and you guys can actually see both. And I use the blonde Brillance to the 35 volume developer, and for the lighter piece I just left it on longer. This piece right at the front, I left it on longer. So I'm going to show you guys on how I achieve this exact same look. And what I mean, you guys can literally achieve this in the comfort of your home. So when you purchase the clip-in color kit, it comes with everything that you need to achieve this exact look in the comfort of your own home. I've been MIA for about 2 months. You guys know that I just went ahead and launched my new product line called Lace Paste, and I just merged my 2 businesses, Lace Paste and Jacque Monae Hair Co. I didn't realize how much people are interested in beauty biz tips and secrets and things of that sort, and so I'm going to be doing a lot more beauty business tips and just some other things too pertaining to business within the beauty industry. I actually have 2 more videos that I'm working on, so we're going to get back into the swing of things. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to use 3 of our tools, and I'm going to be using our Raw Indian Clippins in order for me to go ahead and do this tutorial. And what we're going to be using, the first tool we're going to be using today is going to be our root teaser. And this tool is perfect if you're wanting to create a more blended color from root all the way towards the end. And before we begin, we're just going to go ahead and comb out our section. And then you just want to go ahead and grab a section of hair. Now, mind you, this technique you can actually do on your extensions, and you can do this on a wig, you can do this on a customer sewing as well. Next, you're going to go ahead and grab your section, and you just want to make sure that you comb out your section before we begin. Next, you're going to go ahead and take your teasing comb and place it in the center of the hair, and then you want to go ahead and push the hair going upward into the roots. Now, if the hair gets stuck, what you want to do is take that teasing comb and place it in the front of that section and just continue to push the hair upward into the roots. Next, you want to go ahead and grab your Lace Paste Pro Ball and your Express-It paddle board. And this is what we're going to be using to go ahead and apply the lightening product. Now, before you go ahead and apply the lightening product onto the hair, you want to first apply it onto the board. And by doing so, it's going to allow the hair to stick to the board much more easier, which is going to allow an easy application. So when you're working with your Express-It paddle board, always apply the lightening product onto the board first, and then you apply the hair, you put the hair on top of the board, and then you apply your lightening product. And right now we're starting at the mid shaft, and then you're going to go ahead and work your lightening product down towards the ends of the hair. And for this, I'm using a blonde Brillance 35 volume developer and lightener, and you guys can actually pick this up from your local Sally's. I created these tools just to make the bleaching process easy for you guys, because you know how hard it is working with long hair and trying to apply all the product onto the hair. Sometimes you have uneven application, or sometimes the hair isn't saturated enough, and so that's why I created these products. That way you're able to bleach or lighten your hair in an easy 1, 2, 3 step. And as you guys see, we're almost done. If you guys look closely, you guys just see how blended that is. And so when we get ready to go ahead and comb that out, we're not going to have any line of demarcation, which is that straight blunt line anytime you go ahead and you bleach your hair. And so that is the purpose of the teasing comb. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and comb out that section just to make sure that I have enough product on that section. And if you guys notice, it's still a little bit dry, and so what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm just going to go right back and just reapply more of the lightening product. And then you're just going to go ahead and turn it over, and then we're just going to look underneath the section, and I just want to reapply more. And that's how you're just going to double check your section just to make sure that you have enough product onto the hair. And guys, remember too, saturation is key. So you want to apply, just make sure that the hair is properly saturated. And so I'm just going to use my board again just to make sure that the hair is properly saturated. And again, this will be the same exact technique if you're working with hair extensions, your natural hair, or wigs. You guys can use this paddle boards to color your wigs, someone's natural hair, your natural hair, or wigs again. Once you're done applying the lightening product onto the hair, next we're going to go ahead and grab our Perfect Lift, the lightening coloring sheets, and now we're going to go ahead and you're going to use 2 strips. You're going to use 1 sheet at the very bottom, then you're going to use another sheet at the very top. So next, on this next section, we're going to go ahead and show you guys on how to use our Express Highlighting Comb. And then you're going to go ahead and comb out your section and just watch very closely on how to use the Express Highlighting Comb. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the comb, place it right underneath the hair, and then just continue to pull the hair down into the comb. And what it's going to is going to separate the hair. So you're just going to continue just to keep pulling that hair down just for it to go ahead and separate the hair. And then once it's done separating, you're going to take your finger and place it right in between. So you're gonna see where it's going to separate the hair. And then that here at the very top, that's what you're going to go ahead and grab with your finger. And then that's the part that we're going to go ahead and highlight. And with any section, you're going to go ahead and do the same thing. You always want to make sure that it's properly saturated. And the best way to do that is you just want to take your comb and just comb through that section. And then we can just go ahead and reapply more of the lightener just to make sure that is evenly lights when we're done applying this lightening product onto the hair. I'm going to show you how you would get a line of demarcation. Don't apply your color this way. And if you were to go ahead and apply it this way, then you just want to go ahead and stroke it up to break up that line. And that is what a line of demarcation is. And when you're applying your lightening product onto the hair, you don't want to have any straight bold lines, because it's going to look the same exact way once the lightening process is done processing. So you notice now how natural that line looks. So that's what you want to go for. Let me show you guys just how amazing these lace paste lightening sheets are. It's been about, I want to say, under 10 minutes, and notice the hair is already lifting. And these lightening sheets are not only reusable, but they work much quicker and they work faster than your regular foils. Next, we're going to go ahead and allow this to process for about 45 minutes, and I will be right back. So you guys, look at, hold on, I gotta fix this camera. I'm here recording for Instagram too, but let me hold on. This is a little bit anyway. So you guys, y'all see this? Off a single process. Now y'all know how hard it is to achieve this sort of lift, but that is the quality of these clip-ins. And you already know, shameless plug, you guys can get this from lacepaste.com. I actually combined lace paste. I'm actually in the process of combining lace paste and Jacque Monae hair co, which is my hair and wig product line. And y'all can also get the lace paste sheets from there as well. So everything's on there, but this is why I love this technique. And wait till I wash this out. You guys are gonna see how much this blends. And you notice no line of demarcation. What a line of demarcation is just that straight line that goes straight across. Do not do that when you guys are coloring hair. Even if you do that, take your brush and just do some strokes out like that, so you can break up that line, because that just looks that is way too harsh. But anyhow, I'm not gonna talk y'all to death. Let's just go ahead and wash this out and let's see what we have. But I am so happy I recorded this so you guys can see this technique. So you guys can use this when you guys are coloring your wigs. You guys can use this technique when you're coloring your hair extensions. And even when you're working with someone's natural hair, you guys can use this. Let me look at you guys and talk. But yes, I think this is a little bit better. But this is amazing. I just everything. And I'm rocking clip-ins too. This is 18-inch. Yeah, I'll show y'all mine. I'll show you guys my hair. I'm heading out. And this is an 18-inch, and I just did a nice little side parts. I don't know how my natural hair is looking, because I didn't do a full press, because I did a full press like 2 days ago and I didn't want it to put too much heat, so I just went ahead and pressed out the top. But yes, Go ahead and wash this thing out, and I'm going to be using again the Lace Paste purple shampoo, and then we're going to be using the conditioner too. Right now what I'm doing is I'm just toning the hair, removing any brassy tone from the hair. And I'm using my Lace Paste Pro Styling brush. And we can see that it's toning already. Yep, and this is just one single process. If you guys look closely, you guys can see the results I was able to get using my teasing comb, using my highlighting comb, and using our Perfect Lift lightening sheets. And this is just from one process, a single process. We didn't have to do a double process, meaning color it twice. And you guys notice the results and how light the hair is. And these are some of the things that you're going to be able to achieve using the Lace Paste products. You're going to go ahead and allow that Soap Blonde Toning conditioner to sit on the hair for between 2 to 3 minutes, no more than 5 minutes. And then once you're done, you're going to go ahead and wash it out. I want to show you guys something. Now, this is what you guys should have noticed, that the hair is not stringy. None of the hair is coming out. The integrity of the hair is still very strong, and this is what you want. And we're not done just yet. I'm going to do one more treatment. And you guys, I love the Schwarzkopf Blondie Keratin Restore Bonding Mask. And what this is going to do is this is going to replenish the hair and just add more strength back into the hair. I just love this product so much. Another thing that I love about this product is that it creates new bonds. I'm going to go ahead and create a link that I went ahead and created my top 5 products for 2021. But that's actually the shampoo too. And it has a treatment, and this is perfect when you're working with wigs, hair extension, and someone's natural hair. Like, this stuff is just amazing, and you guys need to make sure. So, oh yeah, see it here. So this is the treatment right here. You guys know how clumsy I am, but this is the product right here, and you want to make sure you guys pick this up. And these are the results. And so I actually only did the balayage, the teasing technique actually on this particular clip-ins for this client, and these are the results I was able to achieve. I just used one clip-in to show you guys on how the highlight would look, but these are the results. Let me know what you guys think. I wanted to create tools that's going to make installing, coloring your wigs, your customers here, your hair. Let me know what you guys think about my products. I'm going to be doing a whole lot of teaching on here. I want you guys to get comfortable with hair coloring and some other things as well too. And these are my 2 easy tools that I use to achieve highlights. My Lace Paste Express It highlighting comb, and then I have my Lace Paste Fruit Teaser, and I'm going to put those links for the tools below. And let me know what you guys think about this video, and that's it. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.